Hey guys, Derek here, and today we are looking at the popular software called Kartra. Now, I just signed up for an account with Kartra with using their trial option, and I just wanted to do an overview and sort of show you how this actually looks and how this whole thing works, who this is going to benefit, and why you should consider this software over every other type of page builder that's on the marketplace. Now, let me explain how I kind of got started with this whole thing and kind of how my business has run in the past. It's basically been running on a skeleton-like system. So basically what that means is I've got a shopping cart over here, I've got my merchant account over here, I've got my membership site over here, I've got my opt-in over here, I've got webinar registration forms all over here, membership sites over here, and so it's all kind of pieced together. And this worked for me for a while, but it's been kind of cumbersome to put all the pieces of the puzzle together. And so what this does is this really puts everything together all under one roof to where you can really focus on the things that matter, which is building your business, building your leads, getting more opt-ins, and making more sales. And so that's why I wanted to look at this software, and this is why I'm doing this video, is to really show you what this does. So first things first, you'll notice, like I said, this is a brand new account. This is something I just signed up for earlier today, and basically I went through this thing and I'm pretty impressed by how everything sort of comes together with regards to putting these full campaigns together. So that's kind of the idea behind this versus something like ClickFunnels, where ClickFunnels is more about building out funnels. This is out building out campaigns. So I want to show you just a couple of things here. You can see you've got this done for you campaigns where you can just start your experience here. So you just click on done for you campaigns, and this is these little done for you campaigns where you can just click on this, and it's going to open up a video and it's going to explain what this does, what type of campaign this is. So like, let's just say you've got the masterclass campaign. So this is like a webinar type campaign that you can pull off. Then you've got the quick launch campaign. Now this is something that Frank Kern uses, and this is something that they've plugged this into the system where you can just click on this and you can just import this particular campaign if you wanted to. So then you've got the popular 4-day cash machine, and I wanted to show you real quick. We're just going to, you can view the assets or you can watch the video, and it kind of gives you an overview. So you can see there's 6 pages sorted with this. You've got 3 tags, 2 lists, 2 products, 1 sequence, and 1 automation. So basically this tells you what this is going to create in the process. So what we want to do, just to kind of give this as an example and just to kind of kickstart things off, what we're going to do is we're going to click on this 4-day cash machine, and we are going to click deploy. And what this is going to do is this is going to create this campaign for us. So we're just going to name this Derek Pierce's DP 4-day, okay? And so we're going to click import, and this is going to deploy all of these assets to our particular campaign, and we can watch the video again and kind of get an overview of that if we want to. But now let's go here and let's just see my campaigns, and you're going to see we've got this campaign plugged in here. So now what we want to do is we can go in here, we can click edit, and this is where we start editing our campaign. So you've got your basic info, then you've got your assets, marketplace, and finish. So basically this just walks you through the process step by step of the way. In addition to that, in addition to these campaigns that you've got these pages that you can see right here where you can just go in and just you can create, let me go back here. You can go to my pages, and this is where you're going to see the 4-day cash machine pages. But what I wanted to show you is where you can just click this right here and create a new page. So let's say you want to start from scratch, or you wanted a template for building out an opt-in page or a funnel or some sort. Then you just simply go to any one of these, and you can see these are really high converting type squeeze pages where all you got to do is you can just select something. You can select the one that you want, click launch builder, and this is going to, we're just going to title this DP test. And then we're going to put this into that campaign. We're going to click create, or category, I should say. And this is going to load the page builder. Basically, the page builder, you don't have to know any kind of code. You don't have to know any kind of technical anything. Basically, I got to click start the tutorial. Once you start this is going to walk you through a tutorial every single time until you get in here and click to not show this again. So let me just do this real quick. Click don't show again, and then let's get started. Okay, so now all you have to do is just go in here, and you can see this is just a drag and drop type editor. So if you wanted to replace your logo, just hover over this, you just click edit style, and you're able to come in here and change out the image, and you can completely, change the style of it. You can have a different link to it if you wanted to. If you wanted to do away with these little social icons, then you can. You've got this right here. If you wanted to plug in a video, you could do that as well. But you can see you've got all of these. This is very easy to to delete some of this stuff. If you wanted to edit it, you could easily edit it as well. You go to components. This is where you can drag different types of components over to this particular page. And once you do that, let's just say we wanted to click a button, right? All you got to do, you can just drag it over into any part of this particular page if you wanted to add a new button. Now, I'm not going to do that. I just wanted to show you that capability was there and what you had available inside the components. So once you get this looking the way that you want it to look, all you got to do is just go over here to click save progress. You can preview it. You can look at it on desktop. You can look at it on tablet. You can look at it on mobile to see how this is going to look. And then all you have to do is just simply publish this page, and it's good to go. So literally in a matter of minutes, you can go in and have a full-blown campaign created inside of Kartra, ready to go. That way you can focus on the things that are more important, which is driving traffic, increasing your conversions, and getting more eyeballs to your offers, whether it be stuff that you're selling, services you're selling, or if it's affiliate products. So here's what I want to do at this point. Kartra has got a free trial that, well, actually it's practically free, I should say. It's $1. So you can test it out for $1 for 14 days. You can put it to the test. And I think once you go through this, you'll see, just like I have, that this is pretty impressive and a pretty powerful program that you can use to really jumpstart your business. Now, I've used other types of page builders in the past. I've used WordPress, and nothing wrong with some of those other ones, but this just seems to make more sense because it's really everything under one roof instead of having to piece all of these different parts together. And in my own business, like I said, in the past, we've had to hire programmers and use custom different types of scripts and things like that to make everything come together. And this is not this way with this particular software. So highly encourage you to give this a trial. You'll see a link below this video. It's going to take you to a page where I'm going to show you my bonus package for anyone that invests in Kartra through my link. So click on the link below and you'll get all the details on what that entails, what is available, and how to take advantage of this special offer. So again, it's $1 for 14 days to try Kartra. I highly recommend that you do that. And go ahead, click the link below, and I'll see you on the inside.